Hey, tonight we are making salmon cakes. So what I did is I took two 4-ounce fillets of salmon and I cut it up into 1-inch squares, cubes, and then I put it into this bowl. I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. I just put a piece of bread in the oven because I'm going to make homemade breadcrumbs to put in here. I also put in 1/4 cup of light sour cream. Now I'm onto the peppers. Let's see. There we go, easy as pie. We are going to do 1/4 cup of this juice. Pepper juice, and yes they are, looks like that's gonna be a done deal. And we're gonna do some Mrs. Dash. We're gonna do about like a tablespoon of Mrs. Dash. There's that. Okay. And we're going to do bay leaf. Got bay leaf here. So I'm just crumpling this bay leaf up into here. There. And we are going to also use garlic powder, our garlic salt. We're going to do 1 teaspoon. Okay, here's that. 1 teaspoon garlic salt. I'm gonna grab another bay leaf because oh, here's the other part, I believe. And we also need like an oniony seasoning. Let's see what we got. Yep, that game's over. Yay! Okay, we're going to use this. So we're going to do a teaspoon of this. Yay for the next. And, okay. Now we just need, ow, whoa. Da, 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 da. these are just the breadcrumbs. I'm making breadcrumbs. Just from plain old country style white bread. And I just toasted it and I'm just grating it. Yay for the nicks. I've been very hungry lately. So this dinner is salmon cakes in 45 minutes or less dinner. Okay. And we're gonna make like a little salad out of this. I'm cheering for the Knicks, definitely. After they knocked off the Pistons. We want people to see how good the Pistons are and how hard they had it. They fought good. Feels like a good workout. I see my arm is getting the vein up. Okay. There we go. So that, we'll just put this back in the freezer. Okay. All right, now stir it and the mixture. So we're gonna use we are going to scoop out in half cup increments. So we're going to scoop out into half cup mounds. There. And only really makes two, so And then you're supposed to flatten them a bit. So you can slightly flatten. Ouch. Okay, so we go like this, slightly flattening there. Okay, and now I put it in the oven. And they will. Oh yeah, we got our salmon skin here. So I put the salmon skin in. I took it off the salmon. Oh, and just cooked it because I like salmon skin. So we're gonna cook that for about 20 minutes, and then it will be dinner. I'll show you what you can do in the meantime. Get yourself plates. Get yourself some plates. Gonna get you're gonna grab plates like this, and actually, I think what I'm gonna do, I love roasted veggies, so I'm gonna roast some veggies. You could make a salad to put these salmon cakes on, or you could, do like a little veggie roast, like I love to do. Oh man. Oh man, I should have definitely put oil on for these salmon skins. I thought there was oil in the skin. I didn't think it sticks so bad. Goodness. So we're gonna roast the veggies, mushroom, some mushrooms. So I'm just gonna drizzle a little oil and stir it. So there's that. I'm gonna sprinkle it with a little garlic powder too. All right. So now I'm gonna put lid on top and pop this in the oven to cook with salmon piece. And then I also am going to take a tomato, wash it, tomato, and I'm going to cut it into wedges. So. And I'm gonna arrange these around the plate. One, two, three, four. Okay, like that. And then I'm also gonna arrange those hot peppers. You pull out that flavor into our dish. So I'm gonna go one, two, three, four. Two.
You guys obviously through the first few games this year, it's a bunch of holes that you had to fight back from. Today you guys jump out so hugely. Was there a difference in approach that you said?
There. Okay, and then I almost got 10 more minutes left of cooking the salmon cakes, and then I'm just gonna pop those roasted vegetables here and the salmon cake on top and serve it. That is dinner in under 45 minutes. Enjoy.